Hello professionals and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Chidima Osigwe. So I'm making this video because of a message I got from one of my mentees that just resumed a new job as an accountant, and she was asked to present the company's tax identification number, and for some weird reason the owner of the business, it's a small company, the owner of the business could not trace the tax identification number of the company. He only remembered that it was generated at the time the company was incorporated, and the consultant that assisted with all of the processes generated a tax identification number for the company. And now, because they could not trace what the tax identification number is, she's saddled with the responsibility of doing that by herself. So I decided to make this video because I believe that there might be someone out there as well that is being faced with this challenge at their place of work. So if you have this little challenge, how do you resolve it? You were not the one that did the tax identification number registration. You were not even there when the company was incorporated. You don't even know anything about it. Maybe the consultant is not picking up anymore, and the whole relationship there has ended. So how do you do that? Will you go back to your employer and say, I could not trace the tax identification number and there is nothing I can do about it? So what do? You can actually trace the tax identification number by yourself on the FIRS website, on the Federal Inland Revenue Service FIRS website, by yourself. So what do? The first thing you need to do is log on to the FIRS website. If you're not sure of what the FIRS website is, you can type FIRS website on Google and it automatically takes you to the FIRS website, and then you see this interface. You see Tax Pro Max, you see e-services, you see tax resources, you see everything that is there. What we're concerned about today is e-services. The moment you click on the e-services icon, you'd see information drop down. Amongst the information drop down, you will see the e-stamp duty, you see TIN verification, that's tax identification number verification. You can see transfer pricing, e-filing platform, VAT certificates, VAT automation program, right? Remember the new tax price filing e-platform that's been updated on the FIRS platform. You can access that here. But what we are concerned about today is the tax identification number verification. So that's what you'll be clicking on, the TIN verification. So the moment you click on the TIN verification, this is the interface that will come up. The moment you see this interface, you have the option of just a few search criteria. So you can search for your TIN number with either your RC or BN, that is if it is a company or a business name number. You can search with your TIN number if you have your TIN number and you're trying to trace back maybe your joint tax board tax number, or your tax office, or your phone number on the portal, depending on the information that you have. So if your employer cannot remember what the TIN is and you have the CAC certificate, you can search with the RC number or the BN number. If you do not have the RC number or BN number, you do not have the TIN number, you can search with the phone number that your employer remembers that he or she could have completed the registration with. But I know at least most times people have their RC or BN number, or they remember the phone number at least. So just input your search criteria and then click on search. The moment you click on search, the information of the company you're looking for will pop up. Right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. We have more trainings coming up on this platform. don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe at 121 Professionals. Once again, my name is Chidima Osigwe. Thank you for watching.